tackle about arithmetic operation modulo n. So what is arithmetic operation modulo n? Arithmetic operation modulo n is basically an arithmetic of remainder. So it is one way of determining the remainder of a division and also help us to determine the leap year without looking to the calendar. So arithmetic operation is a system of arithmetic for integers where numbers wrap around upon reaching a certain rule known as the modulus denoted by n. So arithmetic operation often denoted by the symbol which is mod. It is also known as a congruence modulo n, a congruence relation, meaning it is an equivalence relation that is compatible with the operation of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So what is integers? Integers is a whole number that can be positive, negative, or 0. Example of integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or even -1, -2, or -3. Examples of numbers that are not integers are fractional forms and decimals. When you say fractional forms, basically it is 1/3, 1/4, or 2/3. And when you say decimal, it is composed of 0.1, 0.29, or 0.39. So that is example of decimal and fractional forms. Let's solve for the addition modulo n. So the given question here is Maria went to the grocery store. She bought 9 packs of cookies and 6 packs of milk. How many packs of groceries did she buy? Find the whole 12. So the given here is 9 packs, which is 9, plus the 6 packs of milk, which is 9 plus 6, mod 12. We just simply add the 9 plus 6, which is 50, mod 12. Then the next step is 15 will be divided into 12. So the result will be 1.25. But in addition, in arithmetic operation, we should get the whole number, which is 1. So our whole number here is 1. Then after we get the whole number, we should multiply it to 12. So 1 times 12 will be 12. After that, subtract to the 15, which is 9 plus 6. So 12 minus 15 is equal to 3. So the mod of the Maria went to grocery and she bought 9 packs. Find the mod 12. The mod here is 3. Next, Ron went to the pet shop. He brought 39 red fish and 84 goldfish. How many fish did he buy? Find the mod 7. So the given here is simply 39. Just add the 84 goldfish. Then mod 7. Plus 84 is equal to 1, 2, 3, mod 7. Then after that, divide it to 7. 1 divided to 7 is equal to 17.5. Remember that our goal here is the whole number, which is 17. So 17 times 7 is equal to 119. Then let's subtract 8 to 120 minus 119 is equal to 4. So our mode here is 4 and our mode number 1 is 1. So let's proceed to the number 3, which is here is that she had find the mode 7. Simply just add the 70 and 60 here. Since 70 and 60 which is the given. Mode 5. 70 plus 60 is equal to 130. Mode 5. Just divide by 5, then 26. 26 will be multiplied to 5. Which is 130. 130 minus 130 is equal to 0. Remember that 0 is a whole number. Next, let's proceed to the number 4. Jack went to the bookstore. He bought 27 fiction books and 24 non-fiction books. How many books did he buy? Find the books A. So the given here is simply 27 plus 24. Mode A. 27 plus 24 is equal to 51. Mode A. Divide A is equal to 6.3075. Remember that the whole number here is 6. Then when we multiply to 8, 48. 48, 51 minus 48 is equal to 3. So our word here is simply 3. Let's proceed to the subtraction. So the given here is how do we compute 5 minus 3 mode 7? It's simply 5 minus 3 mode 7. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 mode 7. Just divide the 2 into 7, which is 2 divided by 7 is equal to 0.29. Remember that we should get the whole number which is 0, then multiply by 7 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0 also. So the answer here is 0. The mode of 7 is 0. Next, let's proceed to the number 2, which is John had 43 marbles. He gave 18 to Edward. How many marbles he have left? Find mode 7. So our goal here is to find mode 7. 43 marbles minus 18 is equal to mode 7. 43 minus 18 is equal to 25. Mode 7 divided by 7. 25 divided by 7 is equal to 3.57. So 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 25 minus 21 is equal to 4. So the mode here in John 40 marbles, find the mode 7. The mode 7 here is 4. Next is equal to negative 9. Negative 9 whole 6. Divide 6 is equal to negative 1.5. So negative 1 times 6 is equal to negative 6. Negative 9 minus 6 is equal to 15. So the mode here is negative 15. So in multiplication modulo F, Mr. Mario drives 15 days in a month. She drives 12 kilometers per hour each day. How many kilometers per hour does Mr. Mario drive altogether? 5 mode 6. So our going is to 5 mode 6. So 15 times 12 mode 6 is equal to 180. Divide 6 is equal to 30. So 30 times 6 is equal to 180. 180 minus 180 is equal to 0. We say consider as a whole number. Next is Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalez bought 21 pieces of orange and it costs 32 pesos each orange. Therefore, how much were the orange? All in all, 5 whole 30. So our goal is to find a whole 30. So the given is 21 times 32, which is 672. Mode 30. Divided by 13 is equal to 51.6. So 51 by 6 is simply 51 times 30 is equal to 663. Just subtract the 672 with 663, which is 9. So the mode 30 here is simply 9. Next is the number 3, which is simply multiplying 7 and 9 by finding both of them. The given here is 7 times 9 mode 10. 7 times 9 is equal to 63 mode 10 divided by 10. This is equal to 6.3. So 6 times 10 is equal to 60. Then will be subtracted to 63. 63 minus 60 is simply 3. So the mode here, mode 10, is simply 3. That's it. Thank you for watching.